Hello and welcome to the Distributor How-To video series. The tools to help you sell more products are now in our basket. To get to the basket, make a product search. Select the products you want. These are now in the basket. Once in the basket, you can place an order with your suppliers, request quotes from suppliers, request samples from suppliers, export data to your office software, quote your customer, and send idea sheets to your customers too. To export your product data to your office software so that you can make a quotation, click on this button here. We work with two types of office software, Promos and Job Management. For Job Management, the CSV file is perfect. For Promos, the JSON file is preferred. Click Export to Job Management or Promos, depending on which one you've had set up, and the system will create a CSV file or JSON file that you can then import into your Office software. Once in your Office software, all the fields that are required for you to make a quotation are automatically pre-populated with the product data sent from Sourcing Machine. Thank you for watching.